See, soda's bad for your teeth.
Oh, ouch!
Europe, Asia, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matthews, aka Matthews08 from Zambia. If you are new, I would like to say thank you very much that you find time to come to my channel. And if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate that you always come back to my channel. And today I'm doing the night or evening travel. I'm traveling from Tver. It's one of the smallest cities here in Russia, going back to Moscow. Oh, the announcement in the background. So that is the announcement. I'm moving from Tver to Moscow. The trip is going to take 2 hours 47 minutes. So I'm traveling from Tver to Moscow on a train. I'm not using the bullet train because last time I tried the bullet train, it was an interesting journey. I felt so good, but this time around we are just using the normal train, and I've chosen the third class, where it is just a small bed where you can lay and chill a little bit. So this is the station. You can even see people moving with bags. We'll move together, we'll travel together. Are you a fan of evening vlogs, traveling in the evening? Let me know. I can't wait to get back to Moscow. Let's check what is outside. Wow, seems like there are so many people who are traveling during this time. Now I'm trying to understand the route that I'm taking or where I'm going. You might end up missing your flight. Oh, I'm used to. You might end up missing your ride. Mine is 1:31 there. You can even see the screen. There are so many people who've just arriving. Mine is arriving at 18:59. So I don't know how I need to track it because it is quite complicated, all these people. So we are just doing the evening travel here in Moscow, moving from Tver to Moscow. I just want to say thank you very much, guys, for your support, for everything that you've been showing, especially that you come to my channel to watch my videos, and drop a comment where you are watching this video from. Let's get lost together. Opa.
Уважаемые пассажиры, пригородный электропоезд до станции Балабон будет...
I need to run for my life. My 9th wagon is over there. Whew. Let's find the 9 together. We are also traveling at night evening. Number 10. And the temperature has just dropped. That's what I can say. It is now. Okay, this is my passport.
Уважаемые пассажиры, пригородный электропоезд до станции Балагоя отправится в 19 часов 10 минут 37-го пути. Платформа номер 4. Поезд проследует со всеми остановками, кроме Сиберия депо. Спасибо за внимание. Уважаемые пассажиры, на промежуточной станции посадка пассажиров производится в любой вагон поезда.
33 место, пожалуйста, к микрофону не обратите.
Finally, let's get inside. You can also find something to drink. You can get hot water in this place. I need to find 33. Let's find. Oh. Okay, the numbers, I don't know if they are increasing or reducing. Okay, I see where I'm going. 36, 32. Why I can't find 33? Okay, let me check. Okay, I'm on 33. Let me. This is my lovely place. I couldn't locate it, or I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm traveling from Tver, going to Moscow, and it is going to take 2 hours 47 minutes. I don't know whose bag is this one, but you can even see everything how it is looking, and we're about to start off. It's moving already. Здравствуйте. So since I'm going to be here for just 2 hours 47 minutes, I don't even see the need of sleeping, because I'll go and sleep when I reach home. Mostly when you are traveling in the evening, you can't see what is outside because it is always dark, but I always respect whenever I'm traveling with a train across Russia. And traveling, if you want to appreciate the beauty of Russia, if you want to see how beautiful Russia is, I would advise you to travel using a train so that you can see the forest and everything around Russia. If you use a plane, you just fly for hours without seeing anything, but with a train it is well connected. And this is my place, and I think there is a place where you can charge your phone. Yeah, there. So meaning, if you've come with your laptop, if you've come with anything, you can easily work from here. I remember when I traveled, the very first time I used the train is when I traveled from Nizhny Bristyak, from Yakutia until Irkutsk. It was about 3 days. The train had no charging port, but this one has got a charging port where you can charge. So where are you watching this video from? Drop a comment, let me know. You can even see someone's PC, meaning you can use your PC.
Я.
Точно?
Да.
Смотри, сзади тебя кто-то стоит. Не видишь? Это ты?
Да. Я.
Вот. Это кто?
Дядя.
Это кто?
Идотик.
А?
Идотик.
Хорошо.
Да.
М,
Привет, идотик. Да, привет, дядя.
Привет.
Хоть,
Как зовут? Есть? Как зовут?
Краска.
А?
Краска.
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 Краска. Окей.
А это ябишка.
Да. Хочешь себя снимать? Подержи. Держи. Я все украду тебя. I think one of the things that I love to eat each and every time I'm traveling in the evening or at night is you can't see what is outside because it's quite dark, and especially the reflection on the mirror. You see, you can only see me, you can only see what is inside, but you can't see what is outside. I think the light's there, and I've met a friend who wants to go with me to Africa. She's even troubling her mom that no, she wants to go with me to Africa. I think it's going to be an interesting journey here for the next 2 hours, especially that we are going together to Moscow. And I'm also exporting video that I just finished editing for today. So the times whenever I'm on a train, I always try to do a toilet tour to check, because each and every train has got different design of toilet. So let's just go and check the toilet together. Here, Musa, this is where you're supposed to throw your trash. This, opa, what the heck? And you can see the toilets, they are universal. You can use this one, you can use this one, showing green. Green. So let's just get inside. We see. Whew. And there is also a shower compartment. If you want to take a shower, you can talk to the attendant. They will show you how you're supposed to take a shower. And smoking is not allowed, even vaping. They can give you a fine of 1,500, which is about maybe 15 US dollars. Yep, you see, coated. And yeah, everything is just clean. Ooh la la. Toilet down here. I think maybe it is not working so good. Yeah. All this water here. You can see how it is looking. As you are inside the toilet, you can also charge your phone if you want. And there's a big mirror here. Hello guys, hello, welcome. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Drop a comment where you are watching this video from. Opa. Fire extinguisher, where in case of emergency, in case of fire outbreak, that's why I need to. And I forgot to show you something. You can buy something in this place. I remember buying some noodles from down there.
Не буду ждать ее в Москве, все будет потом хорошо.
Я туда. So here, this is a schedule, how it is moving. 131 train. Where did you even start from? I can't find rewind where we started from. So this is the map, how people are moving, the stations, the things that you can buy from here. All these things, if you want, you can buy, and they give cabs here. Especially if you are doing a long distance journey, maybe you are traveling for more than 1 day or maybe 3 days, something like that, because people, they travel for more than 5 days, especially if you are traveling from Moscow to not to St. Petersburg but to Vladivostok. It takes about maybe somewhere there, I think 5 days or 1 week. And here when I was coming, there was some food that they put, but unfortunately I don't know where they have put them. And here and you're not supposed to bash the door. Then here, so let's just go back. Spasiba. So this is how the interior looks like. This is the interior of the train that I'm using. I don't want to make too much noise because some people are sleeping. And at least I can see something now.
Поехали.
Мы почти приехали.
Что?
So we are almost here in Moscow, in the outskirts. I don't know if it is still in the outskirts. I hope you guys can see me. And I've found a friend here. She's even watching some cartoons, enjoying life. Very soft, simple life. Finally we are home. Yeah, after traveling for 2 hours 47 minutes, we are in Moscow.
А куда, какой смысл тогда вообще ездить через поезд питерский, который там еще рублей стоит?
Same call in this place, huh? The metro is this side.
До свидания.
Oh, до свидания.
Алиса, ваша другу пока.
This is there is no entrance. I need to find the entrance for me. So guys, this is the evening travel that I experienced from where I was going until, or from where I'm coming from, because I wanted to have an experience of using something new. Otherwise, I just want to say thank you very much that you always come back to my channel, you watch my videos. I really appreciate, because it is something that I don't just take for granted. I always appreciate your support. So okay, I just need to follow there what it is showing. Showing that can I also no entry, but I can also enter from here. It's fine. Yeah, this is it. Thank you very much, guys. I will definitely see you in the next video. Peace to the rest of the world.